Hi friends, welcome to Smart Technology. Friends, today in this video we'll do the unboxing for OnePlus Nord. So I have ordered this on 28th of July. So it's been delivered today. So it's very late delivery by Amazon. So we'll open the box and see what's inside. So before that, let's see the specifications. So coming to display, it has a 6.44-inch Full HD plus Fluid AMOLED 90Hz display, and it's 20:9 aspect ratio, and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. And coming to performance, it has Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G 5G mobile platform, and it's based on Android 10 and Oxygen OS, and it has Adreno 620 GPU, and it has 6, 8, 20, and 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 64 GB, 128 GB, and 256 GB of UFS 2.1 storage, and it has a 4115 mAh of battery, and it is charged by Rapcharge 30T. So next we'll see the camera. The rear camera is of 14 megapixel Sony IMX 586 sensor. So it has OIS support, and it has an aperture of f1.75 and 8 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor. So it has an aperture of f2.25 and a depth sensor of 5 megapixel, and its aperture is f2.4, and a macro sensor of 2 megapixel, and its aperture is f2.4. And front camera, it has a Sony IMX 616 32 megapixel sensor. So it has EIS support and has an aperture of f2.45 and an 8 megapixel of wide angle lens with an aperture of f2.45, and front video supports up to 4K 30 and 4K 60 and 1080p 30 and 1080p 60. And here are your LTE specifications and GPS specifications on your screen. You can pause and you can read it. So let's open the box. So this way not. So we'll keep the phone to the side. This is the gray onyx color. So let's see what's more. So we have another box here. Let's open it. So it has a case and some welcome letter. So this is a welcome letter from OnePlus Nord team. So let's, here inside we have another box and we have case. So it has a special texture on it, and here we have another box. So let's open it. What's inside? So we have SIM ejector pin and some notch stickers, and we have quick start guide and safety information, and a red cable club card. So let's keep all this to the side and let's have a look at the phone. Before that, we'll see the charger. So here is the Rapcharge 30T, and it's a 30-watt charger, and it's written made in India, and 5 volt 6 amp power outputs. So and here is OnePlus proprietary red cable charging cable type C. It is type C to type A. So let's keep all this to and let's open the phone. So this is the gray color. It has a metallic finish. So let's take the sticker out. So it's the gray color. It's very nice to see. So now let's power on, and by the time it power on, let's see the overview of the device. So it says OnePlus powered by Android. So on the front, it has a 6.44-inch Full HD plus AMOLED display. It has a cutout for the front cameras, and back side you can see the camera layout and OnePlus logo and OnePlus branding. So on this side you can see alert slider. It's OnePlus signature alert slider and power button. And this side you can see the volume rockers, and bottom you can see the SIM tray, the noise cancellation, the microphone type C port and speaker output, and there is no headphone jack in it. So let's the phone is getting booted. So let's see. So as this is my first OnePlus phone, so I want to show and I want to check how the setup feels. So let's see. So let's start. So it's checking for updates. So it's asking for copy data. We'll click on not now. And next it's ask for Gmail ID. We'll skip it. And OnePlus programs something, we'll accept it. And Red Cable Club, we'll check it later. So not now. So it's asking for enrolling fingerprint. So let's enroll the fingerprint now. So we are enrolling the fingerprint. So next, so it's giving some demo. So it's watched assistant and completed. So you're asking for a font. We have OnePlus, another one. So we'll say the OnePlus and click next. So it says how to use the navigation. So let's see, swipe left or right for home screen, for recent apps. So this is all, let's complete it. So this is the home screen of OnePlus Nord. So it's the display look very nice. So let's see the inside. So it's very fluid. If we have some pre-install apps Amazon, we can uninstall them. So and there are some more Netflix and Facebook also. So let's see the settings inside. So as this is a 5G phone, let's see if we have 5G option. So we'll go to Wi-Fi and network and SIM cards. So there you can see preferred network type. So it has only 4G and 3G and 2G, no 5G option. If we insert the 5G SIM card, we will get a fourth option called 5G. So let's go back. So now let's see the about phone and all these. So going to last. So about phone, it says OnePlus Oxygen OS and 48 camera specifications, 8GB RAM, 128GB storage, Snapdragon 695G, and its model number and all. So let's go to back side. So let's see the storage. So you can see here the storage 23GB is used after 128GB, and you occupied 23GB of storage. So now let's see the DRM info. So you can see here it supports HDR10, HDR10 plus and HLG, and it supports 60 and 90 FPS and wideband, and it's wideband L1 support, so you can play the Netflix and Amazon on full HDs. So let's see it also. So you can see here it's playing in full HD. So this is Amazon Prime. So now let's see the camera specifications. So it has a 48 megapixel main sensor and 8 MP wide angle sensor and 5 megapixel depth and 2 megapixel macro. So let's see the camera samples. So this is the normal shot. So it's taken evening and it's taken while walking. So it's good to see. So this is another normal shot. So I took it for dynamic range. It's okay to see the quality is very good. So next we'll see the wide angle. So this is the wide angle. So this is the 48 megapixel shot. So these are another shots for I took these shots for looking at colors. So it has very good colors. So next ultra wide angle. So this is ultra wide, and this is the 48 megapixel shot. So now let's see the camera macro. This is the macro, and this is other macro shots. So in my feeling that macro is not up to the mark, so it's need to be improved as it's 2 megapixel. So let's see the video samples. This is 4K 30 FPS sample. So you can check the sound and video quality. This is 4K 30 FPS. So it looks like this. So next we'll go to 4K senior 30 fps. So it will record in 20:9 aspect ratio. So it looks like this. So you can check the video quality and sound also. So now let's see the 4K ultra steady option. So this is 4K ultra steady at 30 fps. So comment me in the comment section whether you have saw any stable video. So this is how it look, the 4K 30 ultra steady mode. So this is it for OnePlus Nord unboxing and initial impressions video. So for more videos and what videos you want to see, comment me in the comment section. So I'll try to make it out. So thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.